I never took a single note in med school, and it is one of the best decisions I ever made. Here's why. It wasn't because I was lazy, but I understood very early on that note taking didn't work for me. I tried a few times, those neatly ruled pages, different colored pens, underlining everything like my life depended on it. But I realized something very important, that my brain works better when I'm fully present, not when I'm racing to copy every line. So instead of scrambling to write, I focused on listening. I would sit through the lectures, absorb as much as I could, even if I wasn't 100% attentive every single minute, because realistically, none of us are. But just sitting through the lectures created a framework in my mind, and that framework was everything. When I went back to my room and opened my textbook on the same day, there was already something sitting in my brain, a concept, an explanation, a storyline. All I had to do was just fill in the gaps. It was like walking into a room that is already half decorated. All you have to do is just add the details. You're not building the walls, just adding the details. But here's the trap where most students fall into. When we make notes, our brain gets this false sense of accomplishment. Topic's done. I've already written it, so I'll obviously come back to revise it. But spoiler alert, we rarely do. For me, not making notes wasn't a shortcut, it was a strategy. It forced me to revise from the actual content, from the actual textbooks, not just a watered down version of my own handwriting. It made me face the real material again and again, not the illusion of mastery that notes often give. Now, I'm not saying it works for everyone. Some people genuinely learn better through detailed notes. But if you're someone who has always struggled to maintain notebooks, annotate endlessly, or keep up with aesthetic PDFs, maybe it's not your fault. Maybe your brain learns differently, and that's completely okay. No notes, just presence, consistency, and honest revision. That was my system. And surprisingly, it worked.